Dude, I'm at it again. These are my babies. These are my beautiful babies.
Stands to the city, see million people on repeat. Wait, worry, see, where's the meaning in the beat? You know, borrow slow, while I contemplate the matrix. Yeah. Red pill, blue pill, either way, we ain't scared, kid. Freedom is an illusion, broken by design. Give you enough to keep you working overtime. Buy me a headstone on credit, I'll be there before it's paid. Work for the year for a gold bar and a $100. They want you, my whole soul for minimum wage. Wonder why we're out depressing this American kid. Cost me the dollar, I made it down. That's why I break down on company town. Get tired 65, my body ain't done. Living on pills and the bread, yeah, that sounds like fun. Buy me a headstone on credit, the garnish my ghost if I don't pay the debt. Buy me a headstone on credit. The American dream is the American debt. I die like I live, owe money to the system. Work myself to the bone and nobody missed them. They want me alive enough to work, not alive enough to question why I hurt. Keep me medicated, keep me dizzy, keep me blind. Keep me one check away from losing my mind. Oh, what if I just stop? What if I just said it all? What if the life they sold me was the same? And I can't wake up to digital bell. Buy me a headstone on credit, I'll be there before it's paid. Work for the year for a gold watch, I don't want no break. They won't use my total soul for minimum wage. Wonder why we're all depressed in this American cage. Living 40-something years, what's my legacy? Some mystic band posting a job that'll forgive me. Work 50 hours for a check is gone in 3 days. Treating my existence for ways that don't free slaves. Modern day plantation, but the trains are invisible. Time houses and 401ks keep us getting to the pain, to the truth that we're all just renting time, paying them risk on our lives, one breath at a time. Keep me meditated, keep me busy, keep me blind. Keep me one check away from losing my mind. But what if I just stop? What if I just stop? What if I just let it
Thinking about death, like it's parked outside, like it's patient.
hold on, stay lit. This ain't the end, it's a shift. If the dog wants smoke, then I'm sparks in the wind.
Clock talk slick, every tick like one day you gon' quit existing. That thought hit heavy, but it woke me up, made me quit treating life like it's folding up. I seen people smile with a storm in the chest, still show up, still love, still pass the test. We all got a grave with a date on layaway, so I'm living like today, got something to say. If death is a door, I'm not scared of the frame. I just want my footprints to outlive my name.
Siren, every empty space. So I flip it, turn fear into fuel for the day. Turn, what's the point? In the watch what I made. I'm done living now, I'm done hiding my hurt. Done letting the world tell me what I'm worth. Ain't no peace in pretend, so I speak when I'm cracked. Cause truth in the open bring the power back. And yeah, lost it once, left a bruise, left a scar. But I won't let that moment turn my whole heart dark.
Maybe the other side ain't miles away. Maybe it's the part of you that refuses to break. So I stand in the shadow with my chin up high. Tell the night you can't have me, not tonight. Stay lit. Stay lit. Stay lit. Stay lit.
This ain't the end, it's a shift. If the dark won't smoke, then I'm sparks in the wind. Hold on. Hold on. Stay lit. Don't quit. They don't see faces. They see numbers. Round and round, no brake lights. Work all day, lose all nights. Rent, debt, or repeat. Same track, big money by the map back. Heart heavy, head low, can't rest. Pay to breathe, pay to stress. And the wheel keeps spinning till it takes what it takes. Endless rat race, no escape. Clock in with a chest full of stress and a grin, I don't mean. Rent due, food up, gas high, life got receipts.
They say hard work pays, but I've been here a while. Only thing that grew was the debt and the miles. Boss talk fairly, then cut hours like it's nothing was valuable till the numbers start bluffing. Health on the line, street getting thin, and the bills don't pause when your world caves in. I seen strong men vote from the way to weak. Still apologize, the pain is a weakness speak, but it's not. It's the truth, it's the proof we alive. And they hate when the working class open their eyes. They sell us hope and to pay for the skies, then charge interest on the years of our lives.
Round and round, no brake lights. Work all day, lose all nights. Rent, debt, repeat, same track. Big money, bought the map back. Hard, heavy, head low, can't rest. Pay to breathe, pay the stress. And the wheel keeps spinning till it takes what it takes. Endless rat race, no escape, yeah.
Every choice in the store was the same hands brand. Same boardroom, same suit, same blood on the plant. They're by the land, by the water, by the airwaves too. By the truth and tell you what it's supposed to do. They turn a town into a product, turn a home into a feed, turn a heart into a target, turn a soul into a lead. And when we get mad, they switch the topic fast, keep us fighting in the comments so we never fight back. Kids in the middle while the headlines play chess, classrooms turn battleground, childhood and the stress. Meanwhile the rich get richer off the panic and the noise, and the poor pay the price with their daughters and boys.
If I could lie, do they notice? So replace me by the morning. If I die, do they mourn it? Or just close out my employment? I'm tired of drowning with a strong face, tired of praying for a fair wage, tired of watching good people turn to gold, still breathing but gone. So if this world's a machine, why's it running on our bones? Why's it running on our bones? Round and round, no brake lights. Work all day, lose all nights. Rent, day, repeat, same track. Big money, bought the map back. Hard, heavy, head low, can't rest. Pay to breathe, pay the stress. And the wheel keeps spinning till it takes what it takes. Endless rat race, no escape. Write my name on the schedule, then a race.